Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is second day of Ramadan and I feel so tired. Halos maghapon biyahe. Dami pinuntahan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi pinili kong matulog, magbasa ng book at the same time nag-bebe time while waiting sa loob ng car with my hubby. So yun guys. Bakit hindi pantay yung skin tone ng mukha ko sa kanang arms ko? Ba't ganyan? So yun nga, medyo at the same time fasting din ako guys. This is my second day fasting. So medyo pagod lang and update lang guys. So that's what I have for today. Saan ba kami una nagpunta? Nagpunta muna kami sa kapatid niya, tapos nagpunta kami ng mall, sa Makani Mall. After Makani Mall, nagpunta kami sa Daman, sa health insurance, malapit sa Zayed Sports, sa city, sa Abu Dhabi. And then after that, immigration. And then after that, supermarket. And then after that, hinatid ko lang si Madam dito sa bahay. Tapos nagpunta ako sa bahay ng kapatid niya kasi meron akong hinatid na damit. So yun guys, it's really, I feel so tired. And since fasting nga ako, nag-ready na rin ako ng food ko para mamaya. Yesterday, ang kinain ko yesterday is I made banana oatmeal pancake. It's okay naman. And eggs. That's what I have yesterday. Today, magsasalad lang ako kasi after that, I really want to take a rest kasi masakit din yung ulo ko. Actually kasi guys, first time ko tong... Nag-fasting naman ako before, nung lokal pa din yung amo ko. Maybe that was 4 years ago. Pero ano lang, parang 1 week bago matapos yung Ramadan. Pero this time, I will try if I can do whole Ramadan time. Inshallah, magawa ko siya. And anyway, that's what I have for today. Update lang ako guys. And actually, nalulungkot ako kasi I supposed to be clean the windows. Hindi ko pa rin siya nalilinis. Hopefully, malinis ko siya this week. Magkaroon ako ng time. And I'll show you guys how I clean the windows. Diba? And what else? Sobrang nakakapagod lang yung biyahe. Kasi nga, syempre non-stop. Although nakaka-rest naman ako, natulog naman ako. And na-enjoy ko naman yung pagbabasa ko ng book. And yun nga, like I said a while ago, usap din kami ni hubby. So, okay naman. Yun nga lang, syempre. Ang layo kasi namin sa city. We're living away, far away from the city. It's like 45-50 minutes drive away. So, malayo-layo din siya. So, good luck pa pag traffic. So, anyway, that's all for vlog today. Update ko na lang ulit kayo sa mga darating pang araw. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye! Bye!